So you know that's my sixth participation at the CIE actually, and it's always very important for me and for Danone to show a strong commitment to the CIE, because it's one of the best symbols of China opening up to the world and promoting openness and reforms. And the thing which is probably more important is that when we look at things on the long-term trajectory, China economy will keep on promoting consumption upgrade. So in my view, there is not a next China. The next China is China. Chinese economy is extremely resilient, and there is no better marketplace for us to demonstrate that we bring health through nutrition to the largest number of people as possible. So in the long run, I really believe that China economy will evolve in the right direction and will create further opportunities for us as a business.
This is a great platform for us that we can basically create conversation, initiate conversations in here, and then we can take it to outside of the world, outside of the CIA, and take it to the next level. For a very long time, China market was very attractive for many companies in different industries. The obvious thing that people can say, maybe the size of the market is of course one factor. But I think there are other factors at the infrastructural level. For example, the openness of the economy, to be able to interact with the government officials, with the agencies, the regulations in China, giving the companies comfort to be able to safely operate in this market. So I think those are huge factors that makes the China market for some companies the largest market in their business, for some others the second largest one.